Most people think losing weight means buying expensive meal prep kits, fancy protein powders, or some $200 a month delivery service. I used to think the same thing. But here's what nobody tells you. You don't need any of that. You just need a Walmart, $50, and a plan. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every single item I bought, every meal I made, and show you the exact calorie breakdown that puts you in a real deficit without starving yourself. By the end of this, you're going to have a full week of meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for under 50 bucks. And yes, the math works. Let's get into it. Before we hit the haul, let me set the ground rules so this actually makes sense for your goals. Rule number 1. The budget is exactly $50. No going over. No, I'll round up to $60. $50. That's the challenge and the point. Rule number 2, we're targeting a calorie deficit. For most people, that means somewhere between 1,500 and 1,800 calories per day, depending on your size and activity level. If you want a personalized number, I'll link a TDEE calculator in the description. Rule number 3, and this is the most important one, we're prioritizing protein. High protein keeps you full, protects your muscle while you're losing fat, and it's the single biggest lever you can pull for sustainable weight loss. So the shopping strategy is protein first, volume second, cost per meal third. Got it? Good. Let's shop. Proteins. First up, proteins. This is where most of your budget goes, and it should be. Eggs, 18-count great value, about $3.50. You're getting 18 complete protein sources for under $4. This is the greatest weight loss food that has ever existed. Canned tuna in water, 4-pack, great value, around $4. Each can is 25 grams of protein for about $1. Unbeatable. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, 3 pounds, frozen, roughly $8 to $9. This is your workhorse protein for the week. Versatile, filling, low calorie. Non-fat Greek yogurt, 32 ounces, great value, about $5. High protein, great as a snack or breakfast base, low calorie. Carbs and grains. Now for your carbs. We're going slow-burning, high fiber to keep blood sugar stable and hunger in check. Old-fashioned oats, 42 ounces, great value, about $3.50. This is your breakfast for the whole week. Brown rice, 2-pound bag, around $2. Complex carbs, pairs with everything, keeps you full. Whole wheat bread, great value, about $2.50, for quick lunches and snacks. Vegetables and fruits. Here's where most people underspend and then wonder why they're hungry all the time. Vegetables are volume eating. They fill your stomach for almost 0 calories. Frozen broccoli, 12-ounce bag, times 2, about $2 total. Steam it, done. Frozen spinach, 12 ounces, $1.50. Goes in eggs, rice, everywhere. Bagged salad mix, great value, around $2. Bananas, roughly $1.50 for a bunch. Perfect pre-workout snack or breakfast add-on. Frozen mixed vegetables, 12 ounces, about $1.50. Your filler for any meal. Extras and flavor. And finally, the stuff that makes this actually taste like food. Olive oil, small bottle, great value, $3.50. Garlic powder, paprika, cumin, great value spice rack. Pick 2 or 3, roughly $3 to $4 total. Low sodium soy sauce, small bottle, $1.50. Your best friend for seasoning rice and chicken. Total, approximately $46 to $50, depending on your Walmart location and current prices. All right, here's how this all comes together into an actual week of eating. I'm going to walk through breakfast, lunch, and dinner for a typical day, then show you how to rotate it across the week so you don't go insane eating the same thing every day. Breakfast, overnight oats or scrambled eggs. Option A, overnight oats. Half a cup of oats, a scoop of Greek yogurt, half a banana sliced in. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, it's ready. About 350 to 400 calories, 20 grams of protein. Option B, 3 scrambled eggs with a handful of frozen spinach cooked right in. Hit it with garlic powder and paprika. Done in 5 minutes. about 280 calories, 22 grams of protein. Alternate these two throughout the week so breakfast doesn't feel repetitive. Lunch, tuna rice bowl or chicken salad. Option A, tuna rice bowl. 1 can of tuna over half a cup of cooked brown rice, mixed vegetables steamed on the side, a splash of low-sodium soy sauce, approximately 400 calories, 35 grams of protein. Option B, chicken salad. A portion of grilled or baked chicken breast, about 4 ounces, over the bagged salad mix. Olive oil and a squeeze of lemon if you have it. Roughly 350 calories, 40 grams of protein. Dinner, chicken and broccoli or egg-fried rice. Option A, baked chicken breast with steamed broccoli and brown rice. Season the chicken with paprika, garlic powder, and a drizzle of olive oil. Bake at 400 degrees for 22 minutes. This is your classic, reliable, never-gets-old weight loss dinner. About 500 calories, 45 grams of protein. Option B, egg-fried rice. 2 eggs scrambled into a cup of cooked rice with frozen mixed vegetables and soy sauce. This is your I don't want to cook night. About 450 calories, 25 grams of protein. Snacks. Greek yogurt, 1 serving between meals. Keeps you full, adds protein, about 100 calories. Banana before a workout if you're training, about 90 calories of quick energy. Daily totals on this plan, roughly 1,500 to 1,700 calories, 130 to 160 grams of protein, $6 to $7 per day. Let me break down why this plan actually produces weight loss, and I'm going to keep this really simple. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you eat. That's a calorie deficit. Science hasn't found a way around this. Every diet that works because of this. The average sedentary adult woman burns around 1,800 to 2,000 calories per day just existing. An average sedentary man burns around 2,200 to 2,500. If you're exercising even a little, those numbers go up. This plan puts you at roughly 1,500 to 1,700 calories a day. That's a deficit of roughly 300 to 500 calories per day. Over a week, that's a 2,100 to 3,500 calorie deficit, which translates to half a pound to 1 full pound of fat loss per week, consistently. Now, you might be thinking, won't I be starving? And the answer is no, and here's why. The protein in this plan is doing heavy lifting. High-protein foods are the most satiating macronutrient. They trigger satiety hormones, they digest slowly, and they protect your muscle mass while you're in a deficit. You're not just eating less, you're eating smart. The frozen vegetables add huge volume for almost 0 calories. A cup of broccoli is 55 calories. You can literally fill your plate. All right, let's talk execution. Knowing what to eat is one thing. Actually having it ready when you're tired and hungry on a Tuesday night is another. Here's the system. Spend 45 minutes on Sunday. That's it. Bake all your chicken at once. Season the whole batch, line a baking sheet, and cook everything at 400 for 22 minutes. Portion into containers, done for the week. Cook a big pot of brown rice. 1 batch lasts 4 to 5 days in the fridge. 2 cups dry rice, 4 cups water, simmer 35 minutes. Pre-portion your Greek yogurt into individual servings so grabbing a snack takes 0 thought. Wash and portion the salad mix into bags so lunch is grab and go. For flavor, don't underestimate your spice rack. Garlic powder, paprika, and cumin can make the same chicken taste completely different every day. Batch cook the protein plain and season at the plate if you want variety. And honestly, the biggest meal prep tip I can give you is this. Cook when you have energy, not when you're hungry. If you wait until you're hungry to figure out what to eat, you're going to order pizza. Do the work once. Eat well all week. So, there it is. A full week of meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for $50 from Walmart. High protein, calorie deficit, and food that actually tastes good. You don't need expensive food to lose weight. You need a plan and the discipline to follow it. And now you have the plan. Drop a comment below and tell me, which meal from this plan would you try first? I read every comment and I genuinely want to know. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It seriously helps the channel grow and means I can keep making content like this for free. And if you want to take this further, my next video is the Sedentary Worker's Calorie Deficit Guide, specifically for people who sit at a desk all day and struggle to lose weight because of it. That one drops next week, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next video.